Hello everyone. Today's class we will understand how the pricing procedure is determined in the sales order. So let us understand the concept first. What is this? Actually, this is actually a functionality which can be enabled in SAP in order to automatically select the correct calculation schema for a topic. Okay, what are the mapping fields? Sales area and document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedure assigned to customer master. So this is document pricing. It will come from the sales document type. And where is the SPRO path? This is the pricing basic function, pricing control, define and assign, pricing procedure, and OBKK is the T4 for our determination. So let us go to the SAP screen. So here we have created a customer master. Okay, so from the customer master, it is mentioned that we have mentioned the what is that? What is that? This one. Okay, so customer pricing procedure will come from the customer master. Sales document type will come from the document pricing procedure and the sales area. So we have the sales area. What we have the sales area? We have the sales area already. We have the VA01. I will go for JPOR. This is our customized sales order type, and we have the sales area JP00, JPJ. Okay, next, what we will do is the custom master as soon as we enter. So if there is some credit segment also to be created, not able to show, but when we create this session, we'll be able to see. So what I can do is now OBKK, where we need to do the mapping. Okay, so before the mapping, I would go to JP00. I'll check whether any mapping is there or not. So if it is not there, what I can do is I will go to new entries, go to JP00, and distribution channel, is and then you have to give the document pricing procedure. So what is the document type of document pricing procedure? So you have to go to VO8, go to VO8, see the JPU, double click on here and see what is the document type procedure. So it is A. For A, and what is the customer pricing procedure? So let us go to the business partner. Okay. Customer pricing procedure. So customer pricing procedure, you can see this, it is attached to 1. It is standard. Okay, there is 0, 1 and 1 is different. Here in S4HANA, it has been extended to 2 digits. So you can see the customer pricing procedure 1. Okay, and here I will take the pricing procedure. Okay, so let us take the standard pricing procedure RV, which is defined in the system. So RV AA01. And what is the condition type? PR00. Okay, now I will save this. So if this entry is maintained, so as soon as I create a sales order, I will give the sales order. sales order in the sense you have to create a sales order type here. I'll give order type, and as soon as I give this uh, sold to party customer code, once everything other things credit control area is fixed, I mean that issue is fixed, it will show that this pricing procedure is determined. If it is the mapping is not there, then it will show that this pricing procedure is not able to determine. Okay. So here you can see the existing order, where you can see if you go for header, actually this determined in the header. Okay, item it will just copy, it will just flow, but determination is happens in the header. So if you go to condition here, you go to okay, go to actually already is created, so you cannot do the changes. So what I wanted to show is I wanted to show the analysis where we can see this pricing procedure which is determined. Okay. Okay, so go back and go to the item and item pricing here. You can go to analysis. Here you can see this, what is the pricing procedure which is determined for this. So if I go to the mapping, for this order, if you see the order, what is the order type? It is RE. Okay, and sales area is this. So where is the mapping? So sales area is, what is the sales area? What is the sales area? MA01. Okay. So we'll go to MA01 and the division, that also you see the division MA. So here you have to go to MA. Okay. So here it starts from MA. And now you go to return type, return order type. Okay. Before that, I want to see the customer. Okay, I want to see the customer sold to party, and I would like to see the what is the customer pricing procedure which is maintained. It's not maintained. Okay, let us 1 second we can see. Here I have to go here. The customer pricing procedure is 1. So here if you see this customer pricing procedure is 1, we have to find out customer pricing procedure 1, from the MA combination 1, but we have to see the order type. So what we can do is we'll go to VO V8 and there you go to RE and returns. Here if you see the pricing procedure is A, document pricing procedure. So what is the combination? A and 1. So MA A and 1. MA A and 1. That is MA 789. So is this the one? which is determined in the system. DA03, DA03, go to this order, go to the item, condition, go to analysis, see. This is the pricing procedure, which is determined. And how we can see this pricing procedure, where we are defining? We have to go to sales document, basic functions, pricing, okay, and then pricing control. We have defined and assigning pricing procedure. You click here, you click here, here you can define, I mean, see what is the customer pricing procedure. These are all defined. Second one is document pricing procedure. These are all defined. And you are assigning the document procedure to sales order type. Okay, so this is what you are assigning to sales order type. And you are defining this pricing procedure here. You can define, you can create a new one, and you are assigning this OBKK. Okay, so here we assign JP00 JPA1 we get. Okay, this is what we have done. Okay, so this is all about the pricing procedure determination in SPRO.